Beginner's Guide to Understanding Cryptocurrency. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. I'm Zane, and today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future crypto updates. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Segment 2. How does cryptocurrency work? To understand crypto, you need to know about blockchain. It's a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once verified, it's linked to the previous block, forming a secure and transparent chain. Segment 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but some of the most popular ones include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Each has its unique features and use cases within the crypto space. Segment 4. Buying and storing cryptocurrency. Now, how do you get your hands on some crypto? You can buy it on various online platforms called exchanges. Once you've bought it, you'll need a digital wallet to store your coins securely. Wallets can be online, offline, hardware-based, or even on your mobile. Segment 5. Risks and rewards. While cryptocurrencies offer exciting opportunities, it's essential to be aware of the risks. Prices can be highly volatile, and the market can be influenced by various factors. It's crucial to do your research before investing and only invest what you can afford to lose. Segment 6. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology isn't limited to just cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chain. Understanding blockchain's broader applications is key to grasping its true potential. Segment 7. Security tips. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. Use secure wallets, and be cautious of phishing scams. Your crypto assets should be treated with the same care as physical assets. Segment 8. Future of cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrency is a hot topic. Many believe it will play a significant role in shaping the future of finance. Governments and businesses are increasingly exploring blockchain technology. It's an exciting space to keep an eye on. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more crypto content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time.